Sneaking up on some birds at the park. Careful, careful, Jay. That's the worst sneaking I've ever seen. Sneaky, sneaky. Get lower, get lower. Lower. Like that, Zariah. Like that. Jay, like that. Like that. Sneaky, sneaky. Jay is the worst sneaker ever. You're gonna scare them, Jay. Stop. Where's your sneaking? Like that, Jay. Jay, look at that. Like that. You gotta go like that. Sneaky, sneaky. Sneaky, sneaky. So there's like a whole lot of like white parrots. I've got no idea what they are. At the park. Jay just scared them. Sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Yeah. Go, go, go. Chasey, chasey. Sneaky, sneaky, Jay. Sneak. No, don't run. Sneak. Sneak up on them, Jay. That's the opposite of sneaking. You want to say see you later?
Thanks for watching.
Remember to be awesome because you're awesome.
Yeah.
Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos.